Hello and welcome to Crypto TV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban and let's get into the world of crypto with English News Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. Axie Infinity parent says recovering hacked crypto could take 2 years. Cryptocurrencies sink further on recession talk. Bitcoin slips below $43,000. Applied Blockchain files for $60 million Nasdaq IPO. Mastercard files 15 trademarks for the Metaverse and NFTs. Tesla, Blockstream, Dorsey's block partner for solar Bitcoin mining. Top US bank supervisor warns on lack of interoperability of stablecoins. Tanishq becomes India's first jewelry brand to enter Metaverse. The owner of popular play-to-earn Axie Infinity crypto game expects to recover at least a portion of the roughly $600 million of cryptocurrencies looted from the Ronin network on which the play-to-earn operates. However, the recovery could take as much as 2 years. For the part recovery, Alexander Leonard Larsen, Chief Operating Officer of Sky Mavis, said in an interview to television channel. Axie Infinity token fell over 5% after the announcement. Sky Mavis is working with various law enforcement agencies to locate and recover the Ether and other tokens that were stolen by hackers in late March from the blockchain bridge Ronin, which allowed players to move crypto in and out of the virtual world. Sky Mavis expects to take $450 million hit on its balance sheet while it attempts to raise money from investors to pay players who lost funds. There are about 1.5 million players of the original Axie Infinity game released 2 years ago. Sky Mavis also said it was taking full responsibility for the hack. Sky Mavis this weekend launched Axie Origin, a new game on the network incorporating 300,000 testers or unique players, giving them early access. Cryptocurrencies slipped further on Saturday on lack of investors' interest amid fears of an impending recession as the Federal Reserve hikes its lending rate. Bank of America Strategies warned in a weekly research note that the US economy could be heading into a recession as the Federal Reserve tightens its monetary policy to help curb what it calls surging inflation. The S&P 500 ended flat on Friday, while traditional safe havens such as gold and the US dollar traded higher. The 10-year Treasury yield reached a new 3-year high of 2.7% as investors lowered their exposure to bonds amid rising inflation and higher interest rates. Institutional investors among the key supporters of a market rally were largely missing, data showed. Bitcoin's total open interest or number of outstanding derivative contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange fell over the past week. According to reports, participation in the Bitcoin future market has weakened since peak levels in November of last year, which preceded a 50% drop in Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin recently traded at around $42,300, down by nearly 3% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was around $3,200, down over 1% in a similar time frame. Meanwhile, Near, the cryptocurrency backing Layer 1 blockchain Near, traded higher by over 2% after its recent fundraise and talks of a stablecoin launch. Enterprise blockchain firm Applied Blockchain filed to sell $60 million of shares in an initial public offering on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. Applied Blockchain is offering about 3.2 million shares at an estimated mean price of $18.54, according to a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission Friday. The firm intends to list on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker APLD. The company plans to use the money to secure sites for new co-hosting facilities, to develop those facilities and to enter into energy service agreements among other uses, it said in the filing. Underwriters have been granted a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional 485,436 of the offered common stock at the public offering price. Global payment facilitator Mastercard International Inc. is moving into the metaverse as it looks to become a major player in the virtual economy. Mastercard has submitted 15 new trademark applications to register Mastercard, its circles logo, and the priceless slogan, according to a tweet sent out on April 8 by non-fungible token and Metaverse trademark attorney Michael Condredis. A range of virtual, crypto, and financial products and services will be covered by patent filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office on April 4, 2022. Adam Back's Blockstream and Jack Dorsey's Block are building a pilot crypto mine in Texas that will be powered by a Tesla solar installation and batteries, Back announced at Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami on Friday. Dorsey's Block teased the deal last June when it announced it would invest $5 million in solar-powered mine built in partnership with Blockstream. The project will be completely off-grid, said Back, with Tesla 3.8 megawatt solar array powering the mine and the 12 megawatt-hour Tesla battery storing excess electricity produced during the day so that the mine can run at night and on days without sunshine. The project aims to show that Bitcoin mining using 100% renewable energy can be done at scale. The US Office of the Comptroller of Currency, Michael Su, on Friday flagged the issue of lack of interoperability among stablecoins across the blockchains, which could prevent the product to become a widely acceptable form of transaction. Speaking at an event, he said that while varied designing and hosting of stablecoins may be a good for innovation, but it was bad for practical and safe usage. Su noted that a single type of token such as Tether isn't the same across different blockchains, nor it is directly exchangeable with other dollar-based tokens. Without interoperability among dollar-dominated stablecoins, the risk of digital ecosystem being fragmented and exclusive with walled gardens is heightened, Su said. He said he is also concerned over the so-called financial gardens excluding people. Titan's flagship jewelry brand Tanishq becomes the first Indian company in the segment to enter the Metaverse universe through the launch of its Riva, a wedding jewelry-focused sub-brand. Tanishq has unveiled its newly launched collection in a virtual world of the Metaverse platform to create a highly immersive and personalized 3D virtual experience for its viewers. The Metaverse experience named Rivaverse allowed the participants to converse, socialize with other viewers, and witness the live launch of 14 signature pieces from the Romance of Polki collection. That's all for today's news. For daily news and updates of Crypto World, don't forget to watch English News Bulletin twice a day only on cryptoTV. I am your news host Parvati Nirban, signing off for now. See you very soon. Have a wonderful weekend.